In the last video, we talked about timelines and why messy timelines ruin edits. But even a perfect timeline can't save bad footage. That's why before you start cutting or adding effects, you need to understand how to choose the right clips. If this step is wrong, everything after it becomes harder. Most beginners think editing starts on the timeline. That's wrong. Editing actually starts before the timeline, when you decide which clips are worth using and which ones should be ignored. This decision alone can completely change how professional your final edit feels. Right now, I'm opening a folder full of random clips. At first glance, many of these clips look usable. They're not broken, they're not low resolution, and they seem fine. But just because a clip looks okay doesn't mean it's good for editing. Good footage is not only about quality, it's about purpose and intention. The first thing I look for in any clip is clarity. If a clip is shaky, blurry, or badly framed, no amount of effects will fix it. In fact, effects usually make these problems more obvious. Effects are meant to enhance good footage, not hide mistakes. Now I'm scrubbing through a clip, and notice something important here. I'm not watching the entire clip from start to finish. I'm moving quickly and scanning for usable moments. Most raw clips only have a few good seconds. Professional editors almost never use full clips. They extract moments that feel right and ignore the rest. Another important thing to look for is movement. Clips with slight camera movement or subject movement feel more alive. Even small motion keeps the viewer's attention. Completely static clips are not useless, but they need a reason to exist. If nothing is happening visually and there's no strong purpose, the viewer loses interest very quickly. Now let's talk about clip length. Beginners often keep clips playing for too long because they don't want to cut anything out. This slows down the edit and makes it feel boring. Short, intentional clips almost always feel better. You don't need to show everything, you only need to show what matters to the story or mood of the edit. Lighting is another factor many beginners ignore. If a clip is too dark or overexposed, your options later become very limited. Color correction can help a little, but it cannot fix extreme lighting issues. Choosing a well-lit clip from the start saves time and instantly improves the quality of your edit. Now I'm dragging a few selected clips into CapCut, but notice that I'm still not editing. I'm not adding effects, I'm only collecting usable clips. This step is called pre-selection. Only clips that already feel strong make it into this stage. Anything that feels weak stays out. Let me show you a bad example. Here's a clip that looks interesting by itself, but it doesn't match the mood of the edit. Even though there's nothing technically wrong with it, it doesn't belong here. Right footage is not just good footage, it's footage that fits with everything else. This is where many beginners struggle. They try to force clips into an edit just because they personally like them. Professional editing is about discipline. If a clip doesn't serve the edit, it doesn't get used, no matter how good it looks on its own. Now I've selected a small group of clips that match in mood, lighting, and movement. Notice how these clips already feel connected, even without any effects or transitions. This is what makes editing easier later. When the footage works together, you don't have to fight the edit. In the next video, we'll learn how to build flow and rhythm without using heavy effects. This is where edits start to feel clean, smooth, and professional. If this video helped you understand how to choose better footage, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next episode.